Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate method overloading in Java. So let's get started. As part of method overloading, we can create duplicate methods inside the same class in Java when they differ either in the number of parameters or the type of parameters. So as part of method overloading, in Java, what is possible? We can create we can create duplicate methods inside the same class. What do I mean by duplicate methods? Methods having the methods having the same name are called as duplicate methods generally, right? As part of method overloading in Java, we can create duplicate methods, that is methods having the same name inside the same class when they differ in the number of parameters or they differ in the type of parameters. They differ in the type of parameters. And this concept is called as method overloading. Okay, we'll not get any errors, guys. Okay, here in this case, because of this method overloading concept, we are not going to get any duplicate method error. We are not going to get. Why? Because as part of method overloading in Java, we can create duplicate methods. That is, methods having the same name inside the same class when they differ in the number of parameters or the differ in the type of the parameters. Let me show you this practically. So in the earlier session or in the previous session, when I created duplicate methods inside the same class, that is when I created the methods having the same name inside the same class, I was getting a compiler error stating duplicate method error. Let me show you that practically again. So here in the earlier session, I demonstrated creating this demo class. Inside the same class, I created two methods which are having the same name. Here also sample, here also sample. What is happening? Java is giving us a compiler error. And when I hover the mouse on this error, Java is clearly stating that is a duplicate method error. You cannot create methods having the same name inside the same class. That's what the Java was saying. So to overcome that, either I need to delete one of the method here. Okay, I need to delete one of the method here, then error will be gone. But what if I say I can still create duplicate methods inside the same class without any error, without that duplicate method error, I can create methods having the same name inside the same class. That is possible with the help of concept known as method overloading. Let me show you that practically how I can create multiple methods having the same name inside the same class without getting that compiler error known as duplicate method error. Let me show you that. For that, I am going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as demo A. Click on finish. Inside the class, I am going to create some duplicate methods. Public void sample. Same sample method I am taking as an example. So here I'll be writing one sample statement here inside this. Inside sample method. Now I'm going to create one more method, that is public void sample again. The moment I create this method having the same name inside the same class, I'm getting an error already. You see, duplicate method error I'm getting. So here what I will do here is to overcome this particular error as part of method overloading concept, we should make this method either methods differ either in number of parameters or they should differ in the type of parameters. One of these conditions should match. So let me try the number of parameters. Here, how many parameters are there in this particular method having the same name as a second method? Zero parameters. Now I would like to add one parameter here. Let's say int a. You see the error is gone. Surprisingly, as you can see here, there is no more duplicate method error. Even though the methods having the same name are inside the same class, I'm not getting the error because the first method has zero parameters, second method has one parameter. So let me write this down, system dot some sample statement inside sample method, okay, plus a or something I'll write down. I'll not run it, but I can write it like this. Now third one, public void sample method. Again, I'm creating one more method here. I'm going to create one parameter again, system.out.println inside sample method again plus a. I'm saying that's okay, but here I'm getting the duplicate method error again. Why? Because these two methods have the same name, sample. These two methods, second and third methods, have the same name and they have the same number of parameters, right? One parameter, and the type of the parameters is also same. Here int a is there, here int a is there. Same number of parameters, same type of parameters. According to the method overloading, if you want to create duplicate methods inside the same class, they should either differ in the number of parameters or they should differ in the type of the parameters. If these two methods cannot differ in the number of parameters, they should differ in the type of the parameters. For example, here int is there. What if I declare this parameter with double? You see, error is gone. Okay. Zero parameters, one parameter. Different methods, Java will treat that as, because of the method overloading concept. These are not treated as duplicate methods in Java because of the method overloading. Again, the same thing here. Okay, these two methods were duplicate earlier because here one parameter was there, here one parameter. But the moment I changed the type of these parameters as different parameters, even though single parameter is there, you see, they became overloaded methods. This is called as method overloading. These methods are called as overloaded methods case. Okay. And this concept is called as method overloading. And here every method is overloading other method because they either differ in the number of parameters or type of parameters. Again, I'll create one more method. I'll create one more method. Again, we'll get the duplicate method error. Either in this particular method, I should differ this particular method from the other methods inside the same class, either in the number of parameters or type of parameters. Here, how many parameters are there? One parameter. Here also one is there. So what I will do, comma int b I'll say. You see, error will be gone. Now again, I'll copy this one and create a duplicate method here. Again, we'll get the duplicate method error because same method, same number of parameters, same type of parameters. What if I write double here? Gone, right? So if they differ in the type of the parameters, they will be gone. Okay. Again, I'll copy this one. Okay. If I write double here, error will be gone. Again, I'll copy this one. Either the number of parameters, I'll change it to type, different type. Okay. Double int. You see, error is gone. So we can create duplicate methods inside the same class when they differ either in the number of parameters or the type of parameters. And this concept is called as method overloading. And here in this example, there are several methods and all these methods are overloaded methods. Okay. Overloaded methods, guys. Every method is overloading other method. Okay. Method overloading. This concept is called as method overloading and these methods can be technically called as overloaded methods. Fine. So hope guys understood what is method overloading in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.